Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to test out the VMONSTER Compressed Air Duster. It's a 96 watt with inside instruction. Comes in this nice bag, a storage bag. So after you finish with it, you don't have to keep the box. You could put it in the bag with different attachment for the front part. We have a lot of cleaning stuff, and we have a charger. And this is our beautiful machine right here. It's not light, it's not too heavy. We got a power button right here. I like the black and red color. It looks really nice. We're gonna test it out. Whoa, whoa. So this blower is good for like blowing out keyboard or any kind of dust in your car and stuff. And this was designed for small space, small area and stuff like that. And it controls the speed. So we're gonna put it on. Easy, put it on. It tells you level 1, 100% battery. We click it there, level 2. Wow, you can feel the power. Look at that. Wow. Good power. And then you got a good suction right here too. And then we go level 3. You could hear that. Oh, you could hear that. So good suction and good blower. Let's go. So we're gonna blow some dust right here. Clean our keyboard, getting all the dust and nothing stuck inside. Clean our desk off. And then if you want to get some suction, we could suck up some stuff there. Alright, so we get an empty can of soda. We're gonna level 3. So the blower is definitely powerful. Alright, so when we finish with it, you got a cleaning brush that you could use to clean out anything in there. Oh, and as you can see here, you could turn. So it turns that way. You could turn that way. I love the 3 levels. So a certain area we could go light, a light blowing, and then we could turn it up. And then the flashlight LED light here is a big plus. And it's easy to use. The handle, nice grip on the handle. The suction is decent, but I basically got it for the blower part, so that was pretty good. You could use this in your car, home, office, RV, trailer, whatever you got. This will definitely come in handy. And with the bag, it's easy to store away with the bag. Everything just fits back perfectly with the bag, and use the tool to clean. Check in the description box for more details on this product. It's definitely got good reviews on Amazon, and overall, it's definitely something worth it if you're looking for a blower. Get your hands on this.